Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Benny here. Today I will be installing test pipe on the S2000 custom. So I'll be installing that today. Should be something quick. Usually, sometimes something goes wrong, but I'm hoping nothing goes wrong, everything goes smoothly. So I'm gonna take off the cat, put this on. It also has the check engine light, so it doesn't come on for the O2 and whatnot. And yeah, so I'm gonna turn it on without it, and then I'll do another clip with it. So let me show that real quick. Alright, so that's with it, with the cat right there. So now I'm just gonna take off this whole thing, put that one on, and yeah, like I said, hopefully everything goes smooth, but let's see how it goes. Alright, so I did realize, well, I mean, it's hot because I just stopped driving this shit, but I'm still gonna do it. But I probably shouldn't because I'm gonna get burned, but I guess, fuck it. Oh, it's losing power. Fuck. Alright, so you can't really fucking see me because of the light, but I got everything off. All the bolts off, so now I just gotta kind of pry it off. And it should come down. It's still a little hot though, so yeah. But everything should be good. Everything's going good so far. Alright, so I got this shit out, so now I'm just gonna take out this sensor. Hopefully I don't break it, but yeah. Alright, so I had to wait. I got distracted by working on the CRX to try to get it started. Still no go. Basically it just doesn't want to start. I checked fuel, spark. No, I didn't check fuel. I checked spark, timing. I need to check fuel and air, but still no go. For now, I keep doing the fucking delete, and then yeah, I need to drill some holes to make them a little bit bigger, so I let this charge in the meantime. But anyways, yeah. Alright, so I got everything set. Now I'm just gonna put it back down on the ground and then start it up. Let's see how it sounds. Alright, so I'm gonna start it up. This is also gonna be a cold start, so yeah, let's see how it sounds. Put this right here. Put that right there. Oh. Battery. So that's what sounded like at a cold start. It's starting to like go down a little bit, but that's still pretty rough. And then I'm gonna go do probably some runs just real quick down the street, put everything away, and then yeah.
outside your car than it's in your car.
Yeah. So I just got it. Just went down the street for a little bit, as you guys saw. Camera almost fucking fell off my dash. But yeah, I definitely hear a difference. I just kind of want to hear it on the outside. What? Do you want to try for it? The keys are inside.
Let me tell Daniel what.
So John's gonna go for a drive right now. Definitely want to hear this. And yeah.
Dude, it's so hard driving this thing, bro.
Why?
I don't know, dude. It just feels different. Can I scoot your seat up?
Yeah, scoot it however you want to scoot it, bro. Nice car though, bro.
Like the gas clutch thing is way different than my car. You know how it is.
Yeah. Damn, he don't know how to drive. Alright, let's see this. What happened?
Our people, but I didn't know if they were like admiring or not.
They're probably just admiring. I mean,
Did you hear a difference though?
yeah, I did. That's just loud.
As hard as you did. I was just nervous.
Yeah. Yeah, don't give me a ride back. I'll walk back. Bitch. Alright, so, sorry you guys. Alright. Anyway, I got done installing that in, and it sounds good. It sounds good. John's in love with it, so yeah, you know how that goes. I'm probably putting out like 45 more horsepower now or something like that, you know, without a tune. But yeah, everything's going good, and it's pretty.
I really like it.
Do you?
A lot.
Whoa.
Dude.
Damn. Yeah, he likes it.
It won't go away.
Definitely. Well, anyways, thank you guys for watching.
I don't care.
Peace out. See you in the next one.
No, you won't.
What? You got something to say, bro? Huh?
Flex on them niggas.